No. The reason I said that doldrum means यदि आपको इस रीजन में if you come along with your boat and that is running with the that is in a kind of cloth and all, the cloth के लिए क्या चाहिए? The cloth kind of boat that needed what? Wind speed. Yes or no? Pressure of the wind so that your boat can move. और यहाँ पे आ गए तो जिंदगी भर के लिए फंस गए. Somebody should carry by pulling it away. So that is I said that it is in a very doldrum is in a hot, humid, and what is in a calm condition. There is no wind movement, no wind movement. Only यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Convection of air. Only what I said that. तो आप लोगों को कल बताया था there is how many types of wind primary wind pattern. First I said that northeast, southeast, then westerlies and polaristorlies, and thereafter I said that there is a doldrum. So doldrum is the area also, there is a wind should be there. It is also the part of geographical, every geographical region should have something. World पूरा ऐसा है, उसमें equatorial region के बीच में क्या हो रहा है? No wind. Other region has some kind of wind, but this is also one of the latitude. हमने planetary winds सही है. Understood? They should have also what? Latitude. In this latitude something should be there. So which one is there in this latitude? Doldrum. Who is there? So the fourth part is there. I said that doldrum, trade wind, westerlies, polaristorlies. Understood it? And in the doldrum there is no wind. Understood it? And there is no cyclone formation. Yesterday we have covered. So this is about, I said that equatorial low pressure belt, and this equatorial low pressure belt is considered as I said that between 5 degrees north to 5 degrees south, but with I said that when the sun is moving in the northern hemisphere, when shifting in the northern hemisphere, apparent shift, this belt has been shifted to the north also, and this belt has been, when the sun comes again onto the what is in a normal position, so the sun, the equatorial low pressure belt will be 5 to 5. But when the sun goes into the southern hemisphere, it will become up to the 10 degree or 10 degree. So therefore some books also write like that 10 degree north to 10 degree south. Understood it? But the standard it is 5 degree north to 5 degree, though these belts used to shift. Belts shiftment is also there. Next point I said that subtropical high pressure belt. अच्छा, जो अभी इन्हें बताया इक्वेटोरियल लो प्रेशर बेल्ट, अभी जो मैंने बताया ध्यान से, साइक्लोन, जस्ट इफ आई एम आस्किंग इफ यू हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन, raise your hand. Do not tell me what is the direction of movement of tropical cyclone. Yes. Direction, I said that. Landward, that is also correct. No, rotation I did not ask. जैसे आता है ना, जैसे suppose in the it has been formed in Andaman, it has been formed in Arabian, if it has been formed in Caribbean, so in which direction it will go? Caribbean में originate हुआ तो USA जाएगा या अफ्रीका आएगा, और यदि अरेबियन में हुआ तो अफ्रीका जाएगा या इंडिया आएगा? Where it will come, that direction I am asking. Simple, that the direction I am asking. Huh? Northwest. Yes. East to? Ask about. East to west ना. In which direction? Direction मैंने पूछा. East to west. The direction is what? General it is, I said that. East to west. Suppose करो this is an equatorial low pressure belt, तो क्या आप सोचते हो कि just tell me that along the equator, everywhere equal amount of water vapor or amount of air will go up. ये साफ कर दिया करो क्लास के बाद, कोई भी हो, 2-3 दिन से बहुत गंदा है। I said ये इक्वेटोरियल लो प्रेशर बेल्ट है, एंड व्हेन इट इज गेटिंग अप फ्रॉम हियर, तो क्या फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर द इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर एंड मॉइस्चर मिस जो ऊपर जाएगा, आई हैव सेड दैट यस्टरडे, which are what is the between 5 degree north to 5 degree south, warm air and warm moisture is rising. Yesterday I said that, and so many times I said it will equal amount it will rise, or it will be different amount at different regions. Different. थोड़ा सा तेज बोला करो. Yes, equal or different? Different. Yes. आप अपना दीजिए. I don't want just tell me everyone, equal amount or different amount of it is getting, warm air and warm moisture is getting up. Different amount. Different. Yes. आइडिया नहीं, ये जितना सोचोगे वैसे तक इसके डिपेंड, इस पर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड जेडिसिम, एंड इसी पे तुम लोग समझोगे अब subtropical high pressure belt. Yes, tell me. It will be different amount. It will be what? It will be what? Generally, आपको एक कंसेप्ट शायद कल बताया जाएगा, स्पेसिफिक हीट। और लैंड जो होता है ना 4 times more faster हीट हॉटर दैन वाटर बॉडी। तो सबसे ज्यादा हॉट कौन हो रहा है? लैंड। From where the more air will rise? Land. Understood? From where the more air will rise? Land. That is completely okay in your mind? So the more air will rise from there, and comparatively from the, I said that, comparatively from the ocean it will be less. But it is, I said that, simply I said that different amount it will rise. Simple I said that. ध्यान से रखिए. उठेंगे तो सही, but they will different amount. Understood it? This region has been uplifted. This region has been uplifted. Yes or not? So can I say that in जहां से ज्यादा उठा, from where it has been more, that will become low pressure. And जहां से कम उठा, that will become the region from where the less air rises. ये समझ में आ रहा है? और from where it is in a more air rises, तो high pressure and low pressure within the equatorial low pressure belt बन जाता है. Understood? और ये ध्यान से रखिएगा. और ये ITCZ जब इधर आ जाता है तब की बात है. तो ये अभी तो नहीं बता रहा हूं, जब ITCZ ऊपर मूव करता है तब की बात है. फिलहाल I said that, and I said that if the air is more rising from here, the air is more rising from here, the air is more rising from here, so they will come up, and one it will move toward the south pole, or one it is moving toward the north pole, and by reaching 25 to 35, by reaching 25 to 35, and by reaching 25 to 35, they will become, yes, tell me, parallel to isobar, and that is becoming subtropical jet stream. Yes, in the upper atmosphere they are becoming subtropical jet stream. Is it okay? So when it is moving like this, listen me carefully, when it is moving like this, so there is an also moving like this, and the air from there it is also rising, and they are also moving like this. Understood? Getting my point? But if I say that air from here it is in a more rising, और इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचने में ऐसे हो जाएगा. Getting my point? It is able to reach where? It will come up, started deflecting, and then it will become like this. And the subtropical jet stream, after becoming heavy enough, started what? Descending down. This region will convert into, I said that what? Yes? Desert. Air started what? Understand it? Air started what? Descending down. And then one air which has been risen from here, from this region. When the air started rising from here, They are also going away. Yes or not? When they are going like this, so they will also become heavy enough, and they will also think of what? Descending down. Heavy enough, and they will also think of what? Descending down. Okay? And they started descending and making subtropical high pressure belt. ध्यान से देखना. Descending this region, descending this region. Right hand, which is high pressure? Yes, tell me. This region become, yes, tell me. This region become what? And this region become? Yes, tell me. Left hand become what? यदि why it become low pressure? क्योंकि यहाँ पे more air it is descending and comparatively here less. ध्यान से समझना, this has not been mentioned anywhere. So I said that, and whole आप जाकर देखोगे in the YouTube and in the, I said that in several books, nowhere it has been mentioned how it is happening. केवल यही बोल देता है uneven distribution of land mass and water body. One famous line. I said इसका मतलब इट बिकम लो प्रेशर इसके कंपैरेटिवली, एंड लो प्रेशर पे क्या होता है? एयर डिसेंड्स और एयर गोज अप. तो यहां पे एयर डिसेंडेंस बंद हो जाएगा. एयर डिसेंडिंग विल व्हाट? स्टॉप. अंडरस्टूड? एयर डिसेंडेंस विल, एस टेल मी, एयर डिसेंडिंग विल स्टॉप. यहां पे क्या होगा? एयर विल राइज अप. एयर विल, सो इट विल बिकम अ जोन ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस. So I said that when I said, suppose jet stream is moving like this. So some of the reason that I have said, when in this region, from this region the amount of air lifted is more. From this region amount of air lifted is less. Yes or not? Because the land is highly heated. When it has been more, then it is moving like this. So the air which is descending in this region, there will be more. But in this part less. So ये किस में हो गया? This will convert into high pressure and this will convert into yes. तो यहां पर क्या होगा? Upward movement. That is ना, air will start descending. इसीलिए कभी कभी आपको दिखेगा, you will say that I said that subtropical high pressure belts are what? Not continuous belt. Subtropical high pressure belts are not a continuous belt. Getting my point? Subtropical high pressure belts are what? Not a continuous belt. It is a what? A discontinuous belt. समझ में आ गया? Subtropical high pressure कैसा है? वहां पे तो मेंशन कर देते हैं सिंपली subtropical high pressure belt. जस्ट अभी तक आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? Since tomorrow, subtropical high pressure belt is a continuous belt. Yes or not? But actually it is what? Discontinuous because of subtropical jet stream. In the subtropical jet stream, when the subtropical at several places, but here they started sucking. ध्यान से रखिएगा और ये जब समझेंगे तो वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस समझ में आएगा. बिकॉज वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस में कौन रोल प्ले करता है? हमारे इंडिया में द वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस हैज बीन कैरिड बाय दिस सबट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम. सो दिस एरिया, ध्यान से रखेंगे, दिस एरिया इट इज कमिंग डिसेंडिंग एंड देन हियर इट इज. Understood it? So here sucking, and most of the area it is, I said that, descending, and some of the area it is what? Upward movement. So I said that subtropical jet stream is moving, and due to their what is a quantity of air masses in the upper atmosphere, subtropical jet stream, due to uneven amount of what? Subtropical jet stream air masses, that somewhere it is in a more descending and somewhere it is in a ascending. So therefore subtropical high pressure belt become, yes, tell me, discontinuous. Understood? And but in the southern hemisphere relatively it is discontinuous is there, but in the southern hemisphere it is less discontinuous. In the southern hemisphere it is less discontinuous. In northern hemisphere it is more discontinuous. Understood it? Now I said that first subtropical high pressure belt 25 to 35 degree north as well as in the south. What is happening? First, descending of air from subtropical jet stream and making it, what is in a, yes, dynamically originated, and descending of air, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Dry adiabatic compression for descending air. Descending air के लिए क्या होगा? Dry adiabatic compression. So there will be no rainfall and it will convert into desert, and it will be which kind of it? Hot. No rainfall, descending air causes no rainfall, it means desert, but dry adiabatic compression creates what? Hot. The air is descending. Dry adiabatic compression. Another, I said that subtropical, this is converting in the desert, there is a discontinuous subtropical high pressure belt in northern hemisphere.